Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels. And if you are a first year student or you just took the computer science in 2025, here is a little bit guidance for you. If you are just entering into computer science and if you are just little bit confused about the tech, and if you're just exploring tech more and more and still you're confused which domain is based, web development, app development, android is based, cybersecurity, these lot of things, data science. If you're really confused and you're not decided just what should I do, and if you're just scaring from ai, you're just scaring just from the ai ai will uh, take my job, and if you are just frustrated with all kind of things and programming language or which domain you should try for your better future. First of all guys, I really want to share you. So guys, are you also thinking about ai will replace my job in future? And if you're just care about these things, so here I want to tell you a reality. Guys, the nowadays the ai automation is coming and jobs are decreasing day by day. Manufacturing companies are firing the freshers, they are firing the experienced person. Yeah, this is true, but the deep reality is if you are doing lots of hard work and if you are mastering that particular skill, you will be never replaced, because running that ai and working with ai, you have to learn about deep understanding about that particular domain. So let's check your interest. I'm just telling you 3 4 domains, and if you're interested in that, then you find your true potential. And if you're really interested in computer science, you will definitely pick up one and master it. So guys, let's discuss about one by one domain which is best for you. We have to pick up one and I will guide you after completing these domains which is best for you. Okay, so first of all, number one is web development with the power of ai. Guys, if you're really interested in front end design development, and if you want to make money from doing freelancing and get a job easily nowadays, because nowadays the web development is very booming, and actually the power of ai, it will make you more strong and more sustainable in the field of tech. If you really want to learn web development, then I suggest you in my one short video which youtube channels is best for you. But first of all, you have to first decide your niche, decide your interest. If you're interested in design, if you're interested in backend apis, if you're interested in web development, website development, doing freelancing, and if you want to earn money, then you should try web development. Second one, data science and ai. Data science, if you're really interested in problem solving and creative things to do and working with the data scientist, working with the robotics, or working with the machine learning, then you should try data science. But honestly, honestly guys, this data science field is not that much as you're thinking, is not that much easy. It is really tough. I'm not saying this is impossible, this is not impossible, but as compared to web development, data science field is little bit confusing, and you have to master the python and some stats math, little bit about the ai, machine learning, little bit about the robotics, little bit about the all kind of things you have to understand. You have to deep dive into that. And if you are really interested in problem solving, then you should try data science. Third one, app development. Guys, if you are also curious about how our Android application and iOS application are developed with the help of developer, then I think this domain is best for you. If you want to really create a real world application, either it's Android or neither it's iOS, all kind of application. If you want to create all type, any type of application, so you should try app development. But guys, make sure there is a react native or flutter. There is two types of frameworks are there. But if you are interested in react native, and if you are not interested in react native, you are interested in flutter, then you just try flutter. But let me tell you guys, I personally learned react native. And if you choose web development, and if you learn about html css javascript or merge stack next.js, then you should try react native in app development. Still, if you don't know about web development, if you want to learn app development, then react native is the best for beginner. But if you want to really build a fast scalable app and working with the company in Nowadays the startups are only focusing on fast development. So if you want to get a fast job in app development, then you should try React Native. This is very simple to learn as compared to Flutter. But Flutter is a fast. If you want to build a scalable app, then you should try Flutter. Flutter is the best way to develop a application. Android, it's Android or iOS application, both you can develop in Flutter and React Native too. And if you learn app development, then you can launch your own application in Play Store or iOS Store, and you can earn money from them. Fourth one, cybersecurity. Yes guys, cybersecurity, this domain is, if you are really interested in hacking and protecting your data privacy, and if you want to really deep dive into the how hackers are hack the application, hack the websites, hack the any types of Android application, iOS application, if they are hacking, and if you really would like to interested in networking also, how network it works, how is actually happen, how the hackers is hacking the data, but there is some issue. There is no that much jobs available in cybersecurity because there are few vacancies are coming to the market where you can join as a ethical hacker in any company. But if you are really interested in cybersecurity, then you should try first. You just learn about go into depth, and if you try, then it is easy for you. But it's take too much time to learn that because it's a little bit complex to learn. And if you really interested, then you should try this is also best field. And for a long time it is very good because AI is coming nowadays, but AI is not, we cannot directly trust on AI. So the cybersecurity will never be replaced because of AI, because little bit affect this AI is little bit affected anywhere. But the level of that, if you really master that particular skill, then anyone cannot stop you. You have to just master it, that skill. And last one, if you are really interested in gaming, if you're really interested in playing video games, or if you're really curious about it, how it's built, how it's run, and you're very passionate about that, then you should try game development. Now coming into how to decide yourself. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. You just have to ask yourself, and you just have to remember in which field, in which domain you had just little bit interest in your past, in your childhood, in your school days, in your college days. If you are just find out that one thing, if you are interested in visuals, in the websites, then you should choose web development. If you're really interested in problem solving, if you are good in math, if you are good in math in 11th or 12th standard, then you should try data science. And if you're really curious about the hacking from your childhood, and from where you understand about the hacking from that time, if you're really interested the privacy of data, the security, the hacking, ethical hacker, white hat hacker, black hat hacker, then you should try cybersecurity. Okay, so after you just remember which in which field your domain is there, so don't waste your time. Just if you choose today, so start today guys. 99% people are doing same mistake. They are just confusing, this is better, this is better, and this is better. App development is better, web development is better, Android is better, AI is better, data science. Nothing. If you are not started today, nothing is better for you. Your future will be dark, very darkest future for you. And if you are just starting, just don't change your domain, because lots of guys, if your friend telling you something, oh there is a lots of package in this domain, and you just shift into this domain to this domain, so there is a very big mistake. Lots of students are doing that mistake in their this career. And if you are asking about my advice, so I just want to say, if you are really want to build something unique, if you want to really do work for innovation something, if you are really curious, if you have a hunger, you have urgency, then start today, start now. Don't be late, just to choose one thing and master it. So thank you guys, thank you rebels watching to my this video. And let me tell you, this is not a YouTube channel, this is a tech rebels community. Yes, guys, this is only the starting. In future, we really go deep dive into the tech and innovation, startups and investor. Lot of things we will learn in future. This is a starting, and if you're really hungry, if you have a hunger for doing something in your life, then just join our community. This community will be very powerful in future, and let's build together. If you really love this video, then just put it one comment in comment box and like my video.